Welcome to a demonstration of a complete CMF design workflow for headphones, brought to life with Realishot. Today, we'll transform a basic 3D model into a stunning photorealistic product render, ready for marketing. Let's begin by importing our headphone model. With the model loaded, our first step is applying materials. We'll start with the main body, assigning a clean, matte plastic finish. Precision is key in CMF design, so we're selecting each component individually. For the headband's outer trim, we'll apply a brushed metal texture, instantly adding a premium feel. Next, let's focus on the details that define the brand. We're applying a distinct leather texture to the soft padding of the headband and ear cups. We can easily adjust the texture's scale and rotation to achieve the perfect look. For the metal components like the sliders and hinges, we're choosing a polished stainless steel material to create a beautiful contrast with the matte body. Even the small buttons and charging port are given a realistic metallic finish. Now for the branding. The iconic JBL logo is applied as a separate material. We can fine-tune its properties, adjusting the color, increasing the metallic value, and lowering the roughness to make it pop with a high-gloss finish. We'll do the same for the Live series logo, ensuring every detail reflects the product's identity. Notice how the real-time ray tracing preview allows us to see these changes instantly. With our CMF and lighting perfected, it's time to set the scene. Realishot allows you to place your product against any background. We'll choose a dramatic, atmospheric image to create a powerful mood for our product shot. Now we can set up our camera angles. We'll create a main hero shot, a detailed close-up on the logo, and another shot highlighting the texture of the ear cup. The final step is rendering. We'll add all our saved camera angles to the render queue. This allows us to batch render multiple high-resolution images efficiently. With just one click, the rendering process begins, transforming our design into polished, professional marketing assets. And here are the final results. From a simple 3D model to a complete set of stunning, photorealistic product images. This has been a look at the efficient and powerful CMF design workflow using Realishot.